Welcome to the homestead and sawmill. Say hello to my little friend. Finally got the sawmill set up and running. I don't know if every homestead needs a sawmill, but ours sure did. And I bought the Norwood HD36 V2. I'll share more information about it as we go along in subsequent videos after this one. And I've shared before how I want to build a barn, or need to build a barn right here on this spot. My first intention was to hire somebody with a portable sawmill to come and saw up the lumber for me. Then we got to talking about it, and I got to figuring and decided that if I had my own sawmill and milled my own lumber, the sawmill would pay for itself, if not with the barn, subsequent projects, greenhouses, other outbuildings, and so forth. Plus, a sawmill can be a source of income if you desire to do that. And so I've been well pleased with it so far. The sawmill came in about 40-something boxes, so it was completely disassembled. It took me a while to get it put together. This sawmill is completely manual, and so it's a lot of work, but wow, it's very rewarding. I've shared in previous videos where I've tree cutting videos, tree felling videos, and skidding videos where I've made the pile of logs, and now we're making the pile of logs into a stack of lumber. Just explain a little bit of what I'm doing, the little bit I know that I'm doing. These are going to be 1x8s, and so I'm going to cut this down until I have an 8-inch cant, and then I'm slabbing all these at 1 inch, and I'm going to put them to the side and then come back and make 1x8s out of them. Then I'm going to flip up my cant, which is a cant is after you've cut all 4 sides of your log, you have what's called a cant. And then I'm going to just start cutting my 1x8s out of that and get them stacked up. Never know what's going to happen on the homestead. Never thought a year ago I'd be have my own sawmill, but it's been amazing. It's been fun. It's been very rewarding, and the little I've already learned, I know there's a lot more to learn, but it's been a great investment, I think, for a homestead. I'm trying not to grunt. The stack is getting tall. I think I'll wind up with 160 1x8s. Well, I've wound up with 161 1x8 by 12. So that's 1,288 board feet of 1x8s, and so I think that's enough to get me started on the barn. One thing you'll have plenty of in old logs is sawyer worms, and they are a delicacy for the chickens. Chickens love sawyer worms. Yeah, they see me over here. When the rooster always comes first and checks it out. He won't eat it. He'll let the hens have it. Isn't that something? Well, if you're thinking about buying a sawmill, or maybe just a seed has been planted in your mind by this video, or you've just been toying with the idea, just leave some questions in the comments or make some comments and like, share this video, and thanks for watching.